this is because Olivia phoned, well, her mum, because this was giving them trouble multiplying decimals. So we're going to start off with number 1. Ooh. We have 50 times 0.007. We know that whoever invented the 11 plus was a secret James Bond fan, because 007 features a lot. So what we do is we just multiply as normal. So we're ignoring the decimal. So we're going to go 50 times 7. Well, 5 times 7 is 35. And slap the naught on. Shh. We never did it like that, okay? But it wasn't 7, it was 007. So how many numbers have we got after the decimal point? 1, 2, 3. So 3 numbers after the decimal point. So we have to bounce it in 1, 2, 3. So it ends up as 0.350. Now let's have a look. Come on, there. Delete. Oh, that's rather exciting, isn't it? Number 2, we have 54 times 0.5. Well, that means a half of 54, doesn't it? So automatically common sense, always employ common sense, tells us it's 27. But let's do it maths-wise, shall we? 54 times 5. Remember, we're ignoring the decimals and everything to do with it. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. And 2 is 27. There's our 27. And how many numbers were there after the decimal point? There was 1. So, whoops, we bounce it in once. And there's our answer, 27. Perhaps what might have been a better way of writing that out, definitely would have been a better way of writing it out, would have been to write 0.5. Because it's so easy to forget to go back and do that. Let's choose ourselves another colour, shall we? Number 3. 52 times 0.001. So we're going to do the 52 times 1 is 52. Now how many numbers are there after the decimal? 1, 2, 3. So we bounce it in 1, 2. Ooh, now what? We're going to give ourselves a naught. 3. Put in the decimal loud and proud, and then put 1 in front of it so that it's all nicely hidden. Right, let's change. Oh, I like that one. Do you like that one? It's kind of restful, isn't it? Number 4. Let's have a look. 13 times 0.03. So 13 times 3 is 39. How many numbers after the decimal point? 1, 2. So we bounce it in 1, 2. 0.39. Let's have a look at number 4. 75. Can you hear that rustling? Times 0.09. These are rather nice numbers, aren't they? I hope you're grateful to Rachel. Nothing's been too difficult here, has it? Let me get rid of all of this. My chocolate stash. It's not there anymore. Because I ate it. So 75, oh, we don't want 75 times 9, do we? So, do you know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to use that 75 there. 75 times 0.9. Big equals... Oh, that's all we need. We don't need the little equals. So 7 times 5 is 45. 7 times 9 is 63. Is it 63? Plus 4 is 67. For some reason that doesn't feel right. I'm sure it is. And then how many numbers after the decimal point? Oh, look what I've done. I've put the decimal in the wrong place. Oh, shh. Don't tell anyone. How many numbers after the decimal? 2. So we bounce it in 1, 2. So the answer is 6.75. Let's have a change. Ooh. We've got 19 times 0.5. 19 times 5 is 95. How many numbers after the decimal point? 1. So bounce it in once. So the answer is 9.5. Um, 38 times 0.004. So once again, we ignore the decimals. 8 times 4 is 32. 3 times 4 is 12, and 3 is 15. How many numbers after the decimal point? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So land it there, 0 in front. Next one, 76 times 0.008. I think you've got the drift of these now, haven't you? Shall we just wager on? Go on then. 76 times 8. 8 times 6 is it 48? 7 times 8 is 56, because 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 times 8 is 56. Plus 4 is 60. So that's 608. 3 numbers after the decimal. 1, 2, 3. So we're going 1, 2, 3. So it lands up 0.68. And does that sound about right? To be honest, I can't think of a way to describe whether that sounds right or not. So we'll gloss over that, and I never said it. 66 times 0.3. So what we're roughly thinking of, if you've got 66 thirds and you put them all together to make a pizzas, how many would you get? So another way of looking at that is a third of 66, which so the answer is going to be roughly 22. 66 times 3, trust me on this one, 198. 1 number after the decimal, bounce it in once. I'll just go over the next one on the sheet, and then 77 times 0.003 equals 231. 77 times 3 is that, and so 3 numbers after the decimal. Now, where we need to come up with something slightly different is when, let's have a look, we'll do 36 times 24. Now, if I've got a calculator, bear with me. Calculator, right, let's have a look at that one. Ooh, here it is. 36 times 24, because I can't be bothered to do it the proper way, equals 864. Hang on, let's look. Yeah, there it is, look, see? Right, let's get rid of that, because we didn't do that, did we? No. So if we've got 3.6 times 24, you bounce it in once. If you got 3.6 times 2.4, now there's now 1 number, and then there's 2 numbers after the decimal point. So it's 864, and then we go 1, 2. What about if it's 0.36 times 24? That's 1, 2 after, so it will be 864, 1, 2. Or we could have 0.36 times 0.24. There's our 864. And then now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And fill it in with a naught. So you just count the numbers after the decimal point and count it in. Now, I did have a little girl I taught some years ago who hated this. She's very, very clever little girl, way cleverer than I'll ever be. And she just cried. She sat there for the whole, she was a crier, sat there for the whole class. She just cried. And so I made up this little limerick. It goes, to add, subtract and divide, line up the dot, Amy cried. To times the lot, forget the dot and bounce it in from the side. Hope that helped. Bye bye. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Try. Oh, that's terrible, isn't it? Gosh, that is bad. I'll see if I can stop it. Bye.